Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about how you can get approved for a credit card without a hard inquiry, you guys. Yes, without a hard inquiry. And guess what, you guys? They're giving out limits like 31,000. Yes, you guys, 13,000, 19,000. They're giving out high limits. So if this is something that you want, definitely stick around because I want to tell you guys about this credit card. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys like this video and make sure you guys subscribe. I talk about credit. I'm getting deeper into fitness and I want to get into just motherhood and traveling, just everything, all things Rickita. So definitely make sure you guys subscribe. I have a lot of things coming to my channel this year, so I'm so excited to present that all to you guys. Now, let me not waste y'all time because I have things to do. Y'all got things to do. We ain't got time to be sitting around here doing small talk, right? I want to tell you guys about this credit card. Now, I told you guys about this credit card plenty of times, like a lot of times. I told you guys about this card. The thing is, when people want to apply for the credit card, it was a waiting list, and it's probably still going to be a waiting list for you all. But this credit card is the X1 credit card, and they're actually, a lot of people are actually getting emails now. So make sure if you already joined the waiting list, check your email because you probably got something in your email just like this saying, hey, it's time for you to go ahead and apply. Now, don't get scared when you guys apply for this credit card. I just want you guys to know that just do what you have to do and apply. Make sure you're making at least $45,000 per year, and don't be scared from there. And they're probably going to ask for proof of income, so make sure that you're not just saying you make that much and you don't really make that much, because they're going to ask for that proof of income. Now look at all these different approvals that's out there, you guys. Like, look at them. We have 31,000. We have this one right here that's 19,500. We have another one that's 18,000. 24,500 and 13,000. There are so many approvals happening right now, you guys. Now, if you see right here, I still haven't gotten mine. When I first was teaching you guys about the X1 credit card, I thought that I put in my main email, but I still haven't got my invitation. I don't know what's going on with them, but I think it's kind of crazy that I still have not gotten my invitation, so I can go ahead and apply. But when I put my information back in, I'm thinking, did I put my information in? Do they even have it? Like, what's going on? And if you can see right here, they say, Rickita, welcome back. Just wait, sit down, calm down. So hopefully I'll get something pretty soon. But I really like this credit card because one thing, it's a metal credit card. And they're saying that they're going to give you higher limits than other credit card companies that's out there. So if you like me, you want to try to get higher limit credit cards, then you're here for it. You like, give me this credit card. I want this credit card. Now, I understand it is a waiting list. And a lot of people are like, where's the code? Where's the code? Y'all look around the internet looking for the code. If I were you, I will look around and try to see if I can get the code so that you guys can get an invitation. But you guys can still definitely just join the waiting list right on the website. Like, just join the waiting list right on the website and just wait it on out. Now, if you guys want to get another credit card because maybe you can't get approved for this one, maybe you're not making $45,000 a year, or maybe, you know, you just don't have time to be waiting. You want to get something now. Once you guys think about the two more credit card, I recently just got an email actually today from them letting me know, hey, don't forget we have a new one. So please make sure you let everybody know about the new one that we have. So with their new one, you guys, it's just similar to the other one, but you guys can have both of them. So I like that they even have this as an option. Now, they are going to look at your bank account, see how much money you have coming in. So understand, it's not just you saying, hey, I make $80,000 per year. They need to look in your bank account and see how much you actually have coming in, and then they're going to base what they see in your bank account based off their income, your deposits. They're going to base that off of how much they're going to determine how much they're going to approve you on. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. They're going to base how much they're going to approve you for based off what they actually see in your bank account. So definitely go ahead and see if you can actually get a credit card with them. And they're not going to check your credit. So if you have bad credit, maybe you have a low credit score, maybe you maxed out your credit cards and you need to get a credit card, they're not going to look at your credit cards or your credit reports, so they're not going to know about that. But they're going to look and see how much income you have coming in. Now, be careful with the Tumo card, you guys. Be careful with them. And the reason why I say be careful with them is because, yeah, you can have the higher limit. You know, I can approve you up to $10,000, but if you use that $10,000, that money is going to be due within the 30 days. So don't think that you're going to just use that money and you can just hold a balance on that, because you can't. Just think of it like an American Express card. You're not going to hold a balance on there. They're going to want their money, and then I believe they're going to want it once per week, and they're going to take it out of your account. So they're going to take 25% of whatever you spent. They're going to take that basically every week for 4 weeks. So that's 28 days, you guys. So don't think you're going to just run up that credit card and then you're going to hold that balance there. They have access to your bank account, which you giving them when you sign up for it, and they're going to take the money right out of your account. So be careful with that one. And you guys can also look into the Pedal 2 card too. So try to see if you can get approved for this. Now, if you guys just really want to get a credit card, maybe it's just a higher limit credit card, with the credit cards that you guys already have, won't you ask them, can you get a credit card increase? Ask them, can you get a credit limit increase? And you never know, they may be able to increase your limit. So try to see if you can get that increase, and if they can give you an increase, then good for you. Claps for you. That's good. But if not, move around. Move around and see if you can pre-qualify for other credit cards. I have a lot of videos out there, you guys, that tell you about credit cards that you guys can pre-qualify for. So definitely check out them other videos where they tell you that you can pre-qualify for these credit cards. Now, I used to put all of my links in my comments, but I no longer have it like that. Now I have just that one link when I have all of the credit cards on that one link. So what I'm going to do is, in the next few days, I'm going to go in there and edit it. Maybe today I may do it. You know, let me be responsible. Maybe I may go in there today and edit it so that they say that you can, so I can put on there pre-qualified, no hard inquiry, pre-qualified, no hard inquiry. Because you guys can just go down the list and pre-qualify for those credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. That'd be my thing. It's all good when you guys can go ahead and apply for a credit card. But the best thing is when you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card and then you don't have to worry about that hard inquiry. It's like yes or no if you're going to give me this credit card. Like I tell you guys, Capital One, Discover, Navy Federal, all of these credit cards is definitely going to be on that link. So definitely go ahead and click that link down below in my comments. And it's allthingsrickita.com. It's there. Now, I just joined this fitness thing. I know it's probably not going to be here when you guys watch it. But if you guys do go and click the link right now, and it's still there, please go ahead and vote for me. And if you guys haven't already, join my exclusive body Facebook group that I just started, so you guys can follow up on my journey of weight loss, and you guys can actually, I'm going to have a lot of things there for you guys to actually lose weight too, if that's something that you need to do. Now, I know it's kind of off subject, off topic, but I had to throw that in there. I had to throw that in there. But hopefully, if you guys apply for the X1 credit card, hopefully you guys get that email. Let's cross our fingers that this email is going to come through. I know I cannot wait to get the email. I'm ready to apply for it. Now, some people did say that they requested bank statements. So keep that in mind. You cannot just say, I make this amount of money, because a lot of times they are going to request different things. So make sure you got your bank statements ready so that you guys can show that you have a certain amount of money coming in, and that's going to help you guys out a lot. Now, if you guys already got approved for this credit card, drop it down in the comments, like let us know. And if you guys have any codes, go ahead and drop it down below. And the thing is, you want to give out your code because you guys are going to get more cash back, and then whoever you refer is going to get more cash back just because you referred them. So definitely go ahead and drop those codes down below if you have them. If you got access to it, definitely go ahead and drop it. But if you don't, go to their website, you guys. Go ahead and just apply on their website and just wait it on out. A lot of people like me, when the 2-More credit card first came out, we were waiting to be able to get that. Now we have it. Now we have this one, and they're taking forever. They supposed to came out. I would have thought by now you could just be able to apply for it. It's been a while, but look, they giving a high limit, so we got to just calm down. Hopefully you guys get that link so you guys can go ahead and put in your application. Like I said, if you guys get approved, definitely let us know, and definitely go ahead and click that link down below, allthingsrickita.com, and that's where you guys will see everything that I ever have. Any link that I ever have, I'll make sure I put it on that website. But hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys comment, and if you guys see these other videos up here, maybe you guys should watch them because they're videos that I think you guys may love. And don't forget, you guys, I have my exclusive membership for just $1. So go ahead and sign up for my exclusive membership because it's a $1 trial. So I'll see you guys in the next video.